All right, I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. Nature Restore strawberry powder combined with Premier Protein shake in the morning equals bam, delicious and the best way to start your morning. This stuff is awesome. Hey, I'm Steve and this is the Nature Restore freeze-dried strawberry powder. Love this stuff. It is 100% organic and it is gluten-free, and I want to show you how I start a lot of my mornings with this amazing powder. Let me give you a close-up look at the powder itself. It's very fine. And might I add that it is delicious. The powder itself has the sweet taste of strawberries. Very delicious. I'm going to share with you my secret breakfast drink using the strawberry powder and these Premier Protein shakes. This is a vanilla one, but this is how I start my mornings, many mornings, and it is awesome. I fill up my tabletop blender cup with the protein shake. Like I said, these are delicious on their own. If you don't do anything, these are amazing. The amount of strawberry powder is totally up to you. I like to put 1 heaping spoonful in, but just do it according to your taste. Now just blend that up. If you like strawberries, you know that looks delicious. Now, I'm not much of a breakfast eater, but I will have one of these protein shakes every now and then. And with the strawberry powder, it's just like having a dessert. So let's give it a taste test. That's just delicious. Creamy, got the strawberry flavor in it. And of course, you know, just add as much powder as you want for your own taste. But man, that is super good. I think you'll like the strawberry powder. And if you're looking at this product, I hope you found the video helpful.